Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is July 19th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let me maximize this quarterly chart and see what we see out here. We see a bullish, still looking kind of pattern up here at the top with some selling pressure at the top near an R2 level. That's an R2 level right there that we see in here that it almost got close to, and a little bit of a push down and all. But nothing serious. We are still looking very bullish and all. Let's go up. Let me see that size that there. That's how I usually do it. That's what we see here. It's still very bullish looking on this quarterly chart. Although we're trading below an R2 level, don't expect to go too much higher, but we got another quarter, and that's not that much higher. So you would think by the end of the year we should be closing above that, unless we get this market turning over and going back to the downside. I think it's all going to be based on this is the election year. This is the election year to see what's going to happen after this election with all the craziness going on out there at this time. But let's go down to this monthly chart and see what we see there. On this monthly chart, as we can see, you know, we finally got over these highs back over here. Made some new highs and all this month already. We went to an R2 level, right at an R2 level. This is why I love pivots. We got a nice push back down. You know, we are still above the 10 moving average, so we are still in a bull market. So not to get too concerned or too worried. Some people just like taking profit at times. And all, you got to remember that. But that's what I see there. Let's go ahead and down to the weekly chart and see what we see on this weekly chart. It looks like this was a lot of selling pressure here this week, you know, coming down and pushing us back down to an R2 level. But we had got above an R3 level on these monthly pivots and all. So that letting you know that this market was really hot. You very seldom see, you know, the market going above an R3 level and all. And early, this is like almost the third week. We've only got a week or two left, you know, in this month. But this market has got really hot for whatever reason. It broke above this level here and just decided to run. But doji at the top. Be careful what can happen here next week. Be mindful, be mindful, be mindful, and all. All right, let's go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. On the daily chart, as I was telling one person this week, the market does give you warnings. Be mindful and aware of these warnings that it gives you. It giving us a piercing pattern here at a top, and it actually gave you a follow through. So maybe it's time for you to put some protection in place. You know, do something to protect your money based on your trading plan and your trading strategy, because this market can, you know, maybe it's only $2 away from, you know, dropping below $400. The thing is, it can drop another maybe $5 pretty easy and get back down here in this area where it was basing and where the demand of this market came out of. You know, it can drop all the way back down here and test this area. So be mindful of that. That's what I see here, and that's all I have to share here at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.